Welcome back. You've successfully downloaded and registered the Secure Messaging Plus app powered by Startel, or SM Plus, for Apple iPad, iPhone, or iTouch. Now it's time to learn how to use the conversation feature. Let's get started. When you open the SM Plus app on your Apple handheld device, a conversation screen appears, listing all of your active conversations, if any. It also shows you a preview of the most recent message in each listed conversation. The conversations are represented by the name of the contact associated with the conversation. Any SM Plus subscriber who sends you a message or to whom you send a message is automatically added to your contacts list. Conversations with the most recent messages are at the top of the list. The number in parentheses indicates how many messages from a contact are new. For example, a 1 will be shown if a conversation has 1 new message from a listed contact. To start a new conversation, tap the Compose New Message icon. If you want to refresh the conversations list, tap the Refresh icon. To open an existing conversation, you simply need to tap it. Here you can see a recent conversation with the Med Center regarding a patient consult. To go back to your conversations, tap on the arrow in the top left of the app. Let's quickly walk through starting a new conversation. Go ahead and tap the Compose New Message icon. A new message screen will appear. In the To field, enter the username of the SM Plus subscriber to whom you want to send the message. Or you can select who you would like to send the message to by tapping the plus icon to access your contacts list. Select the user to send to, and then tap Done. If you want to send a broadcast message, which is sending a message to multiple people, type in each username separated by semicolons. Or you can tap the plus icon and select multiple contacts from your contact list. The expiration setting, listed in blue text, controls when a message will expire. If the message is not marked expired by the sender or receiver of the message, it will expire in the specified amount of time. When a message is expired, it is removed from all handheld devices, including devices from both the sender and the receiver. It is also removed from the SM Plus website and from the SM Plus database. To change the expiration settings for this message, tap the default expiration time. Set the desired expiration time for this message. In addition to setting the expiration time, you can also set the message to expire on read and on file by tapping one or both of these options. Then tap Save. If you want to add a recording or image to the message, tap the attachment icon and then select the file you want to attach. If your account is enabled for forwarding, you can turn on the Can Forward switch to allow this message to be forwarded to other SM Plus subscribers. Once your message is complete, tap Send. To open or continue an existing conversation, go back to the main conversation screen and tap on the conversation you want to continue. Messages that are right justified on a blue background are messages that you have sent. Left justified messages on a gray background are messages that were sent to you. The green checkmark indicates that the recipient has viewed the message. Previously unviewed messages sent to you are shown in bold-faced blue text. You can easily edit a message by tapping Edit in the top right of a message conversation. Several edit options will appear. Expire messages removes the selected message or messages from all handheld devices for both senders and receivers from the SM Plus website and from the SM Plus database. Be cautious, this cannot be undone. Delete messages removes the selected message or messages from your handheld device only. Erase synchronize will restore non-expired deleted messages. Mark as read tells the message sender that you have read the selected message or messages. Mark as filed files the selected message or messages. This feature applies to subscribers who receive messages from a contact center. Filing a message communicates to the contact center that the message is no longer pending. Pick the type of edit to be made, such as Mark as read. Then tap the checkbox for each message that you want to edit. When you're finished, tap Done. From a specific message, you can also left swipe the message and tap More. You'll get the same options as well as the option to forward a message, should your account be enabled for forwarding. Important note to users associated with a contact center. When replying to a message from your contact center, Tap the space to the right of the message to which you're replying. When you do this, the message you are replying to becomes highlighted in gray, and the send icon changes to reply. Using reply instead of send to send your message establishes a connection between the two messages in the software database used by your contact center. If you are not communicating with a contact center, you can also use the reply feature, but it will have no noticeable impact. We hope you found this video helpful. The app's other main features, including contacts and settings, will be covered in separate videos. For further assistance with SM Plus, please contact your contact center provider.